Topic is halogens. First question, which halogen is liquid at room temperature? Write the answer, Mitra. Spell panam. So
B.
Next.
R.
Next.
O.
Next.
M.
Next.
I.
Next.
N.
Next.
E.
Okay, it is bromine. One most reactive halogen. Answer all the Mitra. Spell panam.
F.
Next.
L.
Next.
U.
Next.
O.
Next.
R.
Next.
I.
Next.
N.
Next.
E.
Okay, it is fluorine. Valency of halogen is usually. Answer என்ன Mitra? எழுது.
1.
Super. Fourth one. Which halogen is used for water purification? Answer எழுது Mitra. Spell பண்ணு.
C.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
C.
Next.
H.
Next.
L.
Next.
O.
Next.
R.
Next.
I.
Next.
N.
Next.
E.
Okay, it is chlorine. Fifth one. Name the halogen used for thyroid hormone production. Spell panna.
I.
Next.
O.
Next.
D.
Next.
I.
Next.
N.
Next.
E.
Okay, it is iodine. Thank you, Mitra.